Hey, fifth graders. This is your lesson for Wednesday, 5/13. This is on ratios. This is the stepping up to sixth grade, lesson 4. We're going to talk about a ratio. A ratio is when you compare one thing about, or one aspect about a thing to another aspect of that thing. All right. And it's going to look a little bit like a fraction, but it is not a fraction. Okay. A fraction only and always compares part to a whole. Okay. A ratio does not have to do that. All right. So when you have a ratio, okay, it's a comparison. And you're going to see them written 3 ways. You're going to see it written this way, and it's going to be like 15, the word 2, 7. Or you're going to see it 15 with a colon. This is probably the most common way you'll end up seeing it in for future grades. But this says 15 to 7, okay? And then you could see it written with a bar, and it's similar to what a fraction looks like, but you don't read it as a fraction. This is 15 to 7, okay? Not a fraction. You are not going to say that's 15 sevenths and try to change it into a mixed number. No, this is not an improper fraction. This is just a ratio that's stating to me how one thing is compared to another thing, all right? So written one way, written this way, or written this way, okay? So again, a ratio is just when you compare one thing or one part of one thing to another aspect of it, all right? Not a fraction, although it's going to look a little bit like it, but it's not a fraction. Remember that, it's a ratio, okay? So this is what you have to remember, that when you have a ratio, you're going to be given some information and then you're going to be asked to find ratios. Okay, so I'm going to give you this information. I'm going to tell you that however the question states the wording is going to be the way that you write your ratio. All right, so if I tell you that there are 9 boys in a class, there are 10 girls in a class, and there are 19 students in that class. Okay, that's the information you're given. Now, this question asks, what is the ratio of girls to boys? So you have to give me the girls to the boys. Okay, so you're going to write that ratio is 10 to 9. So you can write it 10, the word 2, 9. You're going to write 10 with a colon, 9, or the 10 to 9 with the bar, okay? And what you'll love about this, no labels, okay? No labels, all right? So this is what you would write, the 10 to 9 in word, sort of. This is with the colon, 10 to 9, because I'm giving it to you girls, which are 10, to the boys. It has to be written in the way the question asks, all right? Or you can do it with the bar, 10 to 9. This one says, what is the ratio of whole class to the girls? Okay, well, the whole class has 19 and the girls have 10. So you're going to write something like 19 to 10. You're going to write 19 with a colon, 10, or the 19 in the bar form with a 10, okay? Those are the 3 ways you would write it, all right? Because it's the whole class to the girls, all right? Whatever the question asks is the way you have to put it. That's key. That's the key thing that you have to remember, all right? And then if you would have to read this to me, don't ever tell a teacher, because it probably won't be me, it'll be whoever is next year you have, that is not 19 tenths. Nope. That is 19 to 10 when you're dealing with ratios. All right. That's basically your lesson. I think you'll be able to understand it and get it. You're doing, I think it is 898. Oh, excuse me, no, 899 and 900. Just the whole page, I believe. Good luck with it. This is your second to last math lesson. So hang in there. We're almost at it. Miss you guys, and we'll talk in a Zoom class, okay? Bye, guys.